Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you three best content hosting platforms that you can use in order to see that you host your content on the internet. Now, as a content creator, you have to understand these content creation platforms so you can be able to know which area you can be able to create contents on, and the areas that are, or the platforms that are likely to boost your contents to a wider audience. So one of the content creating platforms that I normally recommend is which is one of the best, is youtube.com. So with the idea of getting or having an understanding how youtube.com works or how YouTube platform works, you'll be able to create content that resonate with YouTube and be able to reach a good amount of audience. So after youtube.com, another channel that you can be able to use is, or that you have to understand, is TikTok. TikTok is one of the flowing content creation platforms that many people are navigating to on daily basis now, because of its reels and its short video content, you understand. So another platform you can equally use is facebook.com. Yes, people don't really understand that Facebook is one of the best social media app or best social media platform that you can be able to use to host contents, whether video contents or any content at all. So these are three top ranking, or let's say three top best platforms that you can host your videos on and be able to get or make passive. So now youtube.com remains one of my best. It's for a personal choice or personal decision. Now also, if you want to create videos on about, or you want to create videos that that can be uploaded to youtube.com, it's quite different from the kind of videos that you can create on TikTok and as well as on Facebook. Yes, now the reason why I say this is because with youtube.com you can create videos even without showing your face, and it can easily, the algorithm can easily take it to a large audience. I don't know if you understand. Yes, why this is not normally applicable to TikTok and also Facebook. So with TikTok, you need to most of the time show your face, because TikTok is one of the apps that that loves interaction, like facial interaction with its audience. Now also that's something with Facebook as well, but Facebook has a higher payment, or let's say payout, you understand, well compared to all these other platforms. Now but when it comes to content creation and getting to reach a good amount of audience, youtube.com remains one of the best app, or one of the best platforms that you need to know about. Now these are the top three ones that you can be able to upload your contents to when you create your content. And another thing is that with TikTok, you have to understand, most of the time TikTok is all about the mobile view. TikTok deals on mobile view, and TikTok does not deal with desktop and rest of them. So but Facebook and YouTube as well deals on desktop and as well as mobile view, which is reels, which they term as, YouTube terms it as shorts and Facebook terms it as reels. I don't know if you understand that. So another platform that you can use, this is a bonus tip, is Snapchat and Instagram. They are also very good for posting contents, and you can be able to make a passive income from Instagram and as well as from Snapchat. So in the next video, I'm going to show you tools that you need in order to see that you get content ideas and you'll be able to start creating contents. So see you in the next video.